front here, support Canada. So we're out here holding signs. Woo. So we can get people to honk to support Canada. So here we go. We're gonna keep doing this, and you're gonna watch. Let's do it. Oh, show my face. I wanna make sure.
Honk for Canada! Correct.
Please.
Oh, we might have another fire.
We got one. We got one.
Idiot.
Oh, we got another one. We got another one. We got another one. We got another one. Honk now. Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
Way to eat a sandwich and blow your horn for Canada while driving. That's great. My shadow. Come on, cars. Support Canada. Canada is America's older brother who happens to be a midget. So America, the younger brother, Sam Carr. So America, the younger brother, always beats up on the older brother because it's a midget.
Here comes another.
There's Canada for you, a midget. So support the midgets in Canada. You're supposed to honk, not smile. God, these people are dumb. You didn't hear what I said. Oh, Canadian midgets. It'll be in the description. Dance for Canada. Dance for Canada. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Let's do this.
He's gonna honk. Really good. No, slow him down. Yeah!
What the crap?
Like video paper. Oh!
Comes another one. Honk for Canada.
Honk! God! It's so fun.
Oh, you want to go? You're a freaking Volkswagen. Dance for Canada. Do the Canadian rumble. The Canadian rumble. Oh, 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 oh. Oh.
I think he's at the stop sign. I need to pee.
You're on camera.
Oh, crap.
Don't you dare turn. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't turn.
Here it comes.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Honk for Canada. Come on. Do it. Help Canada. Please.
Honk!
Ha ha! Way to barely honk your freaking horn.
You're like...
I'm just gonna touch it.
Yeah, that's a horn. They probably think they're gonna wake someone.
What time?
You can't honk the horn, they're gonna wake
Here, hold this. I don't have my phone in my pocket. That's great. Hey, camera. You gotta hold the sign. I have a handle.
Uh-oh, you gotta clean this. You gotta clean it. Oh, you got a buyer.
Here we go, buddy. You better support Canada. Or I'm gonna report you for child abuse. 'Cause you made me cry. Swear. Support Canada. Come on.
Oh crap.
Hell.
For a good cause. 1.5 minutes. What? 1.5. Alright.
Way to look. Way to look.
For VCU? Okay. We'll be in soon.
Eventually.
Yes. In case you didn't know, VCU is playing Kansas today and they're up by 7.
If Kansas loses, all number 1 seeds will have been eliminated.
And VCU will go to the Final Four. That's our sports talk for today.
Yes. Oh,
Now back
VCU.
to the cause. What?
Although VCU is going to lose against Butler.
Yes.
No doubt about it. It's for a good cause. Dance for Canada. Canada, 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 Canada. Canada, my favorite. No, after the next car, we're gonna stop us.
Next car that beeps.
So we're at 6 minutes.
You have 6 minutes?
7 minutes.
Come on, cars. I hear Honk.
Excuse me before I just burped.
40. Okay.
Okay.
Come on, car, hurry. You want to watch VCU?
Sam, you can go in and watch VCU.
No, I don't want to.
Well, I gotta pee.
I don't care.
Is there any to pee in that traffic
I
cone?
have to pee too.
Is there any to pee in that traffic cone?
Sure.
Cause I'll do it. I'm just kidding.
Give me the camera.
I'm just kidding. Baby, you're a firework. Someone, one of us should just break out singing that.
Suddenly, look back and see it. Although, please.
What was that?
The squeaking noise. The noise of the squeaking variety.
I'm retarded. 214-7661. See? I'm lying. You're in the middle of the freaking road. Oh! I'm on the ground now.
Jesus!
Move. What?
Cold street.
Sam, you should go watch.
No.
I can handle
I'm
this.
car.
Sam, we're at over 9 minutes.
I don't care.
Alright, I'm gonna stop this and put in a part 2.